In today's video, we'll show you a website that will pay you for watching other people's videos. You don't need a camera to make money with today's method, and you don't need any special skills or experience because all you have to do is sign up and click the download button. You don't have to invest or advance any money, and it works globally, so it's accessible to people from all over the world. The best part is that it has nothing to do with YouTube, which means you won't need any followers or even a YouTube account. You're probably pretty intrigued right now. It's very simple, but you must follow all of the procedures that will teach you if you want to make it work. There are a lot of people who are already aware of this platform, but they all make the same mistake, which is why they aren't successful with today's strategy no matter what they do. So if you don't want to be like those people, if you want to be like us, the few people who are actually making a lot of money from this website, make sure that you watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you don't get confused about today's method and so that you don't miss any important details. Because if you miss important details, chances are you won't get the results that you want. We may even throw in a few more tips and tricks at the ending or the middle of the video, so don't skip it. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, we want you to be on this website that I'm going to show you in a bit, and to get to this website, you just need to type the URL, of course, that I'll share with you later on. And we've talked about PLR before, but to those who haven't seen that video and aren't familiar with what PLR means, PLR is short for Private Label Rights. This is the king of license available on the net with so much benefits that go far beyond other types of licenses. The main benefits of this product with PLR is that you have the rights to edit the content and brand it with your website URL or your name as the author. This is a really quick way to have your own products rather than creating it from scratch. So basically, this is a video or any digital material that has this type of license, and you're free to pass it off as your own or sell it as your own. You're allowed to edit it as you desire, take stuff out, add stuff in, and literally say that it's yours and it's completely legal and free. Pretty cool, right? That's why this has been our favorite types of videos lately, since it's been doing us good and it's been earning us some pretty decent amount of money too. And that's exactly what we want for you. So right now, we're obviously on this website's video section, and everything that you're seeing on your screen right now, all of these videos listed down, these are all free for download, for selling, for absolutely anything that you can ever imagine. Now, if you look at the left side and click on categories, you'll see millions and millions of categories listed down for you that you can look through and choose from whatever it is that you want to find. Then, you'll see all of the free digital products that you can download, like ebooks, videos, graphics, softwares, site templates. There are even plugins, so literally anything, but we're gonna be focusing on videos, and that's why we're in the video section right now. So to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. So let's continue. The next thing that you'll want to do is sign up, and to do that, just click on join in the upper right, and once you click on that, you'll be brought over here, and all you need to do is click free. As you can see, you have access to free products for reselling, and that's over 700 products. New products come in every month that you'll have access to as well as your membership duration. It's for a lifetime, so it's really everything we need to earn successfully from this method. Once you choose free, click on here to register for free, then that should take you to this page right here. Just provide your email address and then confirm it. Confirm you're not a robot, then hit next. Once you hit next, they're gonna ask you to verify your email address, so make sure you do that first, and that email should look just like this. If you don't find it in your main inbox, then look through your spam folder and it might be there. Just click on the link and that should lead you right to this page, so go ahead. Provide your first name, your last name, your username, then your password twice, and then hit next again. And as soon as you click on next, you should find yourself right into your dashboard. Just click on free videos right here, and as you can see, free video download. Marketing and instructional videos you can download for free, and if you ask us, this is already a great field of discussion because living in a time like this amidst the pandemic, everybody is a little financially tight, and that's why we make these types of videos. But also, videos like this can actually be of great help to also helping someone set a goal or help someone to figure out their financial life and what can be done. All the videos under this topic is just great. Not only is it very much in line with our YouTube channel content, but it is also a great skill that would be an absolute honor to have, honestly. So here's the URL of this secret tool we're using right now, plrminds.com. Just type in plrminds.com and do whatever we did in this tutorial and you may make money. So now that that's all ready, let's set that aside and go to our main money-making website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying Easy Money Online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment Make Money Online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, so go ahead and open up file-upload.com, and as you can see, here are the payment proofs on this website. So this website surely pays people out, and because I don't want to waste any more of your time, go ahead and click Start Uploading Files Now. Then you're gonna click on this tiny folder icon to start uploading, but of course before that we need a video. So let's go back to PLR Minds and you're gonna choose your chosen video. Hit download and that should choose download straight into your computer. And once that's downloaded, you can go back to the second website, click the folder icon, select your video file, and that should process the video download. You need a description and you can easily grab one from PLR Minds website itself. The description that comes with the free video, just copy and paste that. Once it's done downloading, you'll be given a link to that product of yours, and every time someone downloads it, you'll get paid $7. So make sure that you share this with all of your family and friends, all the forums you can possibly find, all of your social media accounts possible, and you'll be making $7 times 100 and even more every single day on complete autopilot, just the way we like it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.